Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing a ton of Amazon home decor, furniture, all the home things, and every single piece is under $250. You guys, at this point, I have my PhD in Pinterest, and these images right here are living rent-free in my head. I love this sort of home decor style. I love the patterns, I love the textures, I love just like how modern and almost like a little bit eclectic and a little bit just cool and unique this style really is. And I found a ton of home decor and furniture that fits this vibe perfectly. So let's get straight into it. Okay, the first few things that I found are pillows. I'm gonna be popping images up on the screen. I love the texture of these and the print. I think they're very modern, they're very cool and different. I especially love the tiger print pillows. I just think these are really fun. It's a nice way to sort of get this look without doing too much. In a lot of these pictures, they'll have a couch, a chair, a huge piece of furniture in like a tiger animal print, which for them, love it for them. But realistically, I just feel like adding a couple pillows, maybe a throw blanket or two, something small in an animal print texture is honestly enough to give you that look. In 5-6 years, are you actually going to want a tiger print chair? I can't say that with 100% certainty. So I think this is a more realistic option, and plus it's gorgeous. Okay, moving on to a few coffee table options. I have 3 different ones here. The first one is sort of this clear acrylic one, which I think if you had a textured or print or patterned rug, you would really be able to see it through coffee tables that are more clear, obviously, and see-through. You could get the full effect without it taking up too much space. If you're working with a smaller area, I think something like this would be perfect as well because it's not too bulky. These other coffee tables I think are gorgeous. I love the shape of these. They would go with so many different home decor styles. If you've got a brown couch, a gray couch, like I think these two would look so nice. This coffee table book I actually just recently picked up for myself. It is so pretty. In person, it's unreal, honestly. It's gold, it's almost velvet on it, it's textured, it's huge. I absolutely love this coffee table book. Then I found this lamp. I actually own this lamp, so like I rediscovered it sort of online. Like I was looking it up, I was like, wait, I have that. Love this. I have it upstairs in my glam room. It's a nice lamp for just like a corner area to style. Obviously, if you want to create like a little reading corner, maybe on the side of your couch, side of a chair, just a little something. It's very minimal, so it doesn't take up that much space. It's nice. Like I just really like this. Also in these spaces, there are a ton of wall art options, and I found a couple. This one here is really abstract. It's also very neutral. It's got some gold in it, black, cream, and I think this would just be beautiful. I am definitely a fan of just getting one large art piece for your wall. I do love a gallery wall. I have a couple in my home too, but there's something about just one big piece with maybe an art light above it that just feels so like collected, styled, and intentional. I absolutely love that. Okay, you guys, and then I found this lamp. This is very different. This is very unique. I know this is not going to be for everybody, but in one of the images, this looks like the exact same lamp. The black and the white stripes. It's very cool, very unique. Somebody's gonna be able to pull that off. I feel like somebody's space needs this lamp. It's just an unexpected pop of something different on like a wooden entry table. I love it. Then I found a couple entry tables. Speaking of entry tables, I found a couple here that are wooden that I think this would just look so nice. You could literally recreate this image with these items right here. And of course I had to get a zebra print wall art to really tie it in. I think it's so cute. This can turn nursery real quick, but I think if it's styled correctly, like how they have it in the image, it would be perfect. Okay, more animal print. I have this faux, I don't know if it's faux pony hair, but it's just like a vanity chair in this cow print. And I love this. Like, I think, you know what? Like if you are maybe living in an apartment, maybe a college dorm, if you're just like a young girl and you want something fun in your space to have some personality, I say go for it. It's inexpensive. It's really cute. Like if I saw this in someone's space, I would absolutely love it. I think it's just so fun. Okay, maybe because I'm chronically online, I don't know, but these fans have been all over my For You page. They've been above beds and entryways. Like, this is such a trendy piece, but I think it's gorgeous. A lot of the ones that I saw online scrolling are kind of like a beige color or a rosy pink color, but I love this green one. I feel like this makes it feel a little bit more timeless, in my opinion, because it's still a color, but it feels more neutral and more approachable. These faux stems I think are gorgeous. I love how they're kind of bent in this vase. I love the actual leaf part of the stem as well. It just kind of blossoms open. It almost looks like stars, and I just think this is so pretty. You get 2 pieces total, but I think if I were going to be buying this, I would probably get 2 of them, so I would have a vase of 4 at least. And it looks like in the picture, I don't know, because some of the branches are bent. Maybe they only have 2 in the picture. I think this is just so pretty. I actually might get this. Like, these are really nice. This pillow here, this, what is this, faux? Oh, real Mongolian lamb fur. Oh my gosh, hold on. Side note, I way back when had this fur vest and it was real fur. When I read that this was real fur, okay, if you have allergies, you have been warned, because I got a real fur vest one time, I think in like college. Like, this must have been around like 2010, 2011 when this style was like way more popular. The way that fur vest made me sneeze, like you wouldn't believe. Okay, my allergies were off the chain because of the real fur vest. And like, I knew and I know that I have allergies, but in the moment of buying this fur vest, I just got excited, and in the moment I didn't realize, hey, it's real fur. You might be sneezing like crazy because of your allergies. So just keep that in mind if you're looking at this real Mongolian lamb fur pillow. If you have allergies like me, maybe skip this one. Maybe look for a faux one because you might be in a similar situation. Okay, moving on. This red lamp I think is gorgeous. I have been slowly getting into adding more color into my home. I feel like I'm kind of in my color era, and I feel like every room deserves a little pop of red. You can't go wrong with adding red. I like to do that in the form of flowers, or maybe even like a candle, an accent piece, something like that. But I love this lamp. I actually have a lamp this exact same style in a chrome finish, but I think this red is so pretty. Then I found a couple different light fixtures. I found one that is more like a chandelier, and then this other one is like a paper pendant light. Both very different, both gorgeous. I'm just picturing this in like a breakfast nook area, like if you have like a small corner and you need a light fixture, these are really good options. This candelabra is stunning. On one of those entryway tables that I showed earlier, I think this could be so beautiful. I would even do a different candlestick in here, like a different color candlestick. I love the white, obviously. I'm always gonna love white. But I think if you even added like a dark plum color to this would be so pretty. Maybe even more of like a cream, like a natural linen color would be gorgeous too. I love this. Okay, another coffee table. This one is just a simple wooden one. To me, this looks really elevated. Like, this looks like a designer coffee table in my opinion. I could easily see this at like a CB, maybe not a CB2, maybe a CB2, but definitely like a Crate and Barrel or like a West Elm. I could see them having a coffee table like this and it costing 10 times the price of this one. I love the legs on this and how it's almost fitted like a puzzle piece or like those little toys when we were kids. I don't know, I just really like this. This desk right here, oh my gosh, I think this is, you can't go wrong with a desk like this. I don't think you need a desk that's like bold and it's got this design and it's got all this marble going on. I think something simple like this is what's really gonna last you. You're not gonna have to buy a new desk when you get sick of the other one that's like a trend. You know what I'm talking about. A desk like this, it's simple, it's solid, it's gonna last you forever. You can switch it up by adding decor on top, one of those lamps like I showed you, but I don't think you can go wrong with a simple wooden desk, 4 legs, obviously. I mean, how, I don't know why I felt the need to say 4 legs, obviously, but like, you get what I mean. Like, just a simple standard desk, like this is the way to go. You guys, I feel like I need this lamp. This lamp is so pretty. She's pricey for what it is. It's $179 and it's just one lamp. It doesn't even come in a set of 2, but it is so pretty. I feel like you might be able to find something this vibe, but a little bit more affordable at HomeGoods. I would check HomeGoods first actually, but I just had to add this on here because when I saw it, I was like, oh, I am so tempted to get this one on an entryway. Like, I think this is so pretty. And then I found this chocolatey brown chair. I love this. I think if you got a set of 2 like in front of your couch, I mean, clearly I have chairs in front of my couch, so I love that style. But I think if you got a set of 2, I think that could be really, really pretty. They look gorgeous. I love the shape, obviously love the color. Like, I just think this is nice. If you were anything like me, when I was first decorating my house, I was just adding in so much cream and white. And yes, it was soft. And yes, those things are beautiful and airy, but I really feel like you need to balance that out with something a little bit darker. You don't need to go full like on the opposite end, like black and white. You could, but even adding in some wooden elements can really sort of make it feel cozier, because white and cream, that can go sterile so quick. And that's what I noticed was happening, especially in my sunroom. It was getting way too white. So adding elements of brown, wood, even faux stems to add greenery in there just kind of warms it up and makes it feel cozy and airy at the same time. I also found a couple rugs. I love these with the print. One is an animal print. What is that? Deer. That's deer print, right? A deer print. And the other one is also a print, but it's not animal. It's just like a standard asymmetrical type print on the rug. I love these. It's not doing too much. It's still that same vibe with print, texture, movement, but movement what I wanted to say. I don't know, but it's calmer. Okay. It's not a full on cheetah print rug, unless that is 110% your style since forever. And you're like, no, animal print is my thing. I'm going to stick with it. Then I say go for it. But if you just want to get that look, you're like, I kind of like this trend. I kind of want to try a little bit. I love it, but I don't know if I want to fully commit to a tiger or zebra print rug. I think these are great options because it's still a print, but it's on the calmer end. And then I had to share these bar stools. It comes in a set of 2. I think these are gorgeous. The bar stools that I have are like a white cushion. And honestly, if I could go back in time, I would just get something simple like this. I don't think I would even get a cushion at all. I think I would just have like a hard stool, honestly. It would just be so much easier to clean. I just really like these bar stools. I think these are so pretty. The gold, the chrome. In a lot of these images, there were a lot of like chrome finishes, gold, reflective type furniture and accents. And I think this is nice. And you get a set of 2, and that always makes me feel like I'm saving money, because it's like, oh, okay, buy one, get one free, even though that's not how it works. But in my mind, that's how it feels. And yeah, I will have everything linked down below. You guys, all of these items, like, I'm proud of my shopping, okay? All of these under $250, and they fit the vibe and they're aesthetic and cute. Like, come on. And a lot of these are prime as well, so you can get them in a couple of days. It's a win-win. I will have all of it linked. You have to let me know which ones were your favorite, if this was helpful at all. I just wanted to sit down, chat with you all, show you some of the home decor and furniture that I have found on Amazon lately. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you never miss an upload. And me and all my Amazon favorites, we will see you all. It wasn't Amazon favorites video at all, was it? And me and all my new home decor finds, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.